Wow, that shook the floor. I felt that shake the couch. Oh my god. Um, well, that's good. It let up a little bit. Just got off the phone with Bob. He says that there's another one coming in after this. It's supposed to go on and off through the night. Okay. Alrighty, it's clearing up a little bit. But, that's whitish. That's hail. White means hail. Dark means rain. So right now I'm in the rain. That's all hail. That over there is no clouds. So what just passed me is this is about to be worse over there. Okay.